We are going to start group 14. Group 14 consists of carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. These are the elements of group 14. Carbon symbol C. Si is the symbol for silicon. G means germanium. Tin is represented by the symbol Sn. Lead means Pb. So these are the elements of group 14. Group 14 is often called carbon family elements. Since carbon is the first member, it is also called carbon family elements. Occurrence. If you talk about occurrence, the carbon, first one, carbon. Carbon is the 17th most abundant element in the earth crust. Carbon is the 17th most abundant element in the earth crust. In elemental form, it exists in the form of coal, diamond and graphite. In graphite, diamond, coal, it exists in elemental form. It exists as a carbon alone. But in combined state, it exists as a metal, carbonates, hydrocarbon, carbon dioxide, etc. These are the combined form of carbon. In combined form exist in the form of metal carbonates. For example, sodium carbonate, hydrocarbon example methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane. These are hydrocarbons. Carbon dioxide. These are the sum of the combined form of carbon. This carbon having three types of isotope. First one is C12, C13, C14. These are the three stable isotope of carbon. Among these, this C14 is a radioactive isotope. The lifespan of radioactive isotope are expressed by half-life period. This C14 having a half-life period of 5770 years. This carbon 14 isotope is used for radiocarbon dating. It is used for radiocarbon dating. That's all about the occurrence of carbon. Now we are going to discuss something about the occurrence of silicon. Silicon is the second most abundant element in the earth crust. It is available around 27.3% by mass. It is present in the earth crust. In natural form, it is occur in the form of silica and silicates. In natural way, it is occur in the form of silica and silicates. Now, discuss about the germanium. Germanium is available only in traces, very less quantity, very rare quantity. It is available in the earth crust. Tin mainly occur in the form of stannous oxide, that is normally called cassiterite. Cassiterite formula SnO2 is the common mineral of tin. Which one is the common mineral of tin? Cassiterite is the common mineral of tin. Lead exists in the form of galena. PbO2 is the formula. That is, lead sulfide is called galena. Galena is the important mineral of lead. That's all about the occurrence of group 14. Electronic configuration. So electronic configuration, just to see carbon, atomic number 6. So the electronic configuration, helium is the inner core, 2s2 2p2. Silicon 14, neon 3s2 3p2. Germanium 32 is the atomic number, argon 3d10 4s2 4p2. Tin atomic number 50, krypton 4d10 5s2 5p2. Lead atomic number 82, xenon 4f14 5d10 6s2 6p2. From the electronic configuration, it is clear that the general outermost electronic configuration of all these elements are ns2 np2. See the electronic configuration: 2s2 2p2, 3s2 3p2, 4s2 4p2, 5s2 5p2, 6s2 6p2. That means the general valential electronic configuration, or otherwise the general outermost electronic configuration is ns2 np2. This is the general outermost electronic configuration of group 14. Now the next property is atomic radii. So if you talk about atomic radii, when we move from top to bottom, atomic radii increases due to increase in energy level. Similarly, in group 14 also, when we move from carbon to silicon, atomic radii increases due to increase in energy level. But when we move from silicon to lead, the atomic radius increases, but that increase is very slightly increases. This is because of the completely filled f orbital and d orbital. So the higher members having completely filled d and f orbital, which offer very poor shielding effect. Because of that, the atomic radii increases, but the increase is very slight in nature. Now we are going to talk something about ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy of group 14. That means the first ionization enthalpy of group 14 is greater than that of group 13. This is because of the decrease in atomic size. When we move from left to right, atomic size decreases. That means when we compare with group 13, the elements of group 14 are smaller one. Therefore, possess somewhat higher ionization enthalpy. The next one is the electronegativity. If you talk about electronegativity, due to small size, when we move from left to right, the atomic size is very small. Atomic size decreases. Because of this somewhat smaller atomic size, the electronegativity is slightly higher. That means the elements of group 14 possess slightly higher or more electronegativity than group 13. Physical property: all the elements of group 14 are solid. Among the elements of group 14, carbon and silicon are non-metal. Germanium is a metalloid, whereas tin and lead are soft metals. That's all about the physical properties of group 14. We are going to discuss about chemical properties of group 14. The first one, oxidation state. As we all know, the general outermost electronic configuration of group 14 is ns2 np2. That means 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Therefore, the general group oxidation state of group 14 is plus 4. So as we all know, other than this plus 4, they are showing plus 2 oxidation state also. The sum of first 4 ionization energy is very high. That means removal of 4 electron is energetically very difficult. Therefore, compounds in plus 4 oxidation state are generally covalent in nature. For group 14 elements, compounds in plus 4 oxidation state are covalent. Why they are covalent? Because losing a 4 electron is energetically very difficult. That is why we are telling the sum of first 4 ionization energy is very high. Since the sum of first 4 ionization is very high, usually compound in plus 4 oxidation state are covalent in nature. They are covalent. So the stability of plus 4 oxidation state On moving down the group, it is decreases. At the same time, the stability of +2 oxidation state increases. Why? Because on moving down the group, the 2 electron present in the valence s orbital will become gradually inert. We already studied. Due to that inability of ns2 electron in bonding, the stability of +2 oxidation state increases on moving down the group. At the same time, the stability of +4 oxidation state decreases. That's all about the oxidation state of group 40. The maximum covalency of carbon is 4. Why? So, what do you mean by covalency? Covalency means number of shared pair of electron. Number of pair of electron that particular atom can share, that is the covalency. So, covalency means number of shared pair of electrons. Carbon, as you know, the atomic number is 6. So, the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. That means the outermost orbital contains second energy level. The second energy level having one s orbital, that is 2s orbital and 2p orbital. So, s orbital can accommodate one pair of electron. P orbital can accommodate two, here one pair, here one pair, here one pair, totally 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the carbon to the maximum it can have 4 shared pair of electron. Therefore, covalency is 4 only. Why this happen? This is because the second energy level having no d orbital. So, the only answer for this question, that is the maximum covalency of carbon is 4. Why? So, carbon having no d orbital, absence of d orbital in carbon is the only answer for that.